Okay, let me share some things with y'all. Hello, this is Herbert Kareem, and you can find me at foresightslife.com. And if you want to be part of the HK Network membership, just click courses above and then find HK Network membership and sign up. Anyways, let me tell you here what you need to really focus and understand. Why is everyone quitting their jobs? Okay, so you don't have to believe me. A lot of you don't really understand facts, okay? So there's a reason why people are just leaving. And I'm trying to help you understand the big picture because it's real out in these streets. And people are not really understanding the bigger picture about recession and what that means, and inflation and what that means, and opportunities and non-opportunity and what that means. And are you going to just be a sheep and sleep and what that means? Or are you going to catch up with the times and what that means? A lot of people are not fully understanding. But let me give you some facts because I'm not going to keep you long. I'm learning how to keep short videos and just go in detail in my membership area. Okay. Let me share because you need to know what it means to stick around. Okay. Let me show you this right here. You see where it says right here? I just put it in there for me. How many U.S. citizens are quitting their job? Look, last year, 2021, if you're catching this in 2023, I'm talking about 2021, 47.8 million workers. This is workers. Okay? Told you to stop being a worker. Get off that 9 to 5. Okay? Quit their jobs. On average, nearly 4 million a month. Meaning in 2021 holds the highest average on record, topping the 2019 average of 3.5 million a month. It keeps increasing every year. Okay, it's gotten a little lower in 2022, but it's still high. Okay, let me. What's the question right here? Why are so many Americans quitting? Why are they quitting? Majority of workers who quit on their job in 2021 say the low pay, you ain't making no money, man. They're not paying you when milk is costing $3. You don't think that make a big deal. They're not paying you enough. If the gas is over $5, some areas is $7 a gallon, okay? Not paying you, low pay, no opportunities for investment. You mean I just got to stay stuck right here making $1,500 a month for the rest of my life, and I've been doing this for the last 4 or 5 years. I'm only making $3,500 to $4,000 a month, and I'm gonna stay right here to the rest of my life. I'm only making $7 to $8 grand, and then when taxes are taken out, I'm clearing a little over $6,000 a month. But I got student loans, I have car loans, I have insurance, I have a house note, I have insurance, I have light bill, electricity, I have a phone bill, I have gas bill. I got all this stuff going on, and I still got drama in my life. I got debt that's over my head, and I'm barely making it because I'm just over broke. So I'm gonna be stuck making this a little over 4, a little over 3, a little over 5, a little over $6,000 for the rest of my life, and I'm hoping to retire. When you say I'm supposed to retire, what else were the reasons? Look, advancement and feeling disrespected at work. 57% were reasons on why they quit, according to the February survey they did. Okay, they did a survey. This is what they came up with. In 2021, the February survey, they did a survey. It was like, people trying to roll. They trying to get going. Look what it says. Why are 40% of Americans are about to quit their jobs? How many Americans quit their jobs in 2022? It's getting ridiculous. Look, let me just drop it down so you can see it. They even got a name for it. The Great Resignation. Okay? Resignations. All right, like 40%. Look at that. Factors. Exodus. During the what? Okay. They don't even want me to talk about that. They didn't want to hit me hard on that. On average, does average Americans stay at one job? On average, what is the average that a person stays at the job? That's a topic in itself. Industry of January 2022, wages and salaries workers in the public sector had a median tenure of 6.8 years, higher than the median of 3.7 years in the private sector. If you don't know what public and private is, you need to look that up. That's another video in itself. But people are not even staying 7 years at their same job like you used to. Back in the day, our family members used to stay what? They used to stay 10, 15, 20 years, 30 years at the same job because they knew the power and just, if you're going to be a worker, stay a worker, man, and get your benefits. Get your benefits. Yeah. Just wanted to hit you with that. I wanted to make sure you understand some things here because a lot of people are not grasping why it's so important to start your business. The recession is real. It's already here. It's about to be a little bit worse for a solid 18 months to 2.5 years. And it's going to start popping again when they start running for president and then when they elect the new president. You could just watch the S&P 500 and you'll be able to see the dip and it stay that way for a minute. And when that goes down, everything going down. I'm going to just be purchasing more crypto and getting in more investments in stocks. That's what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to just be getting my bags up a little bit more. Some of y'all going to be buying more real estate. I'm going to have to purchase some real estate because I'm still getting money out here. And I'm trying to tell you how to get it. It's not that difficult, especially during these bad times. People going to need to know where they could switch to, where they can pivot to. People are bouncing and they're leaving because they're not making enough to survive. The world's changing. The new generation, the ones that are in the millennium, the ones that are actually in the age group of coming into the 18 and the 19 and they're already 20 and 21, they're not going to be want to work no 9 to 5. And the ones in charge at the up top, they know this. They getting surveys done. They actually getting statistics done. They know where the generation is going and how they want to earn. So they have to capitalize on them. They have to make sure that they take advantage of that. They have to switch up things with the state, the federal, the city, the county. They have to switch things up. Things have to be switched up for that generation. While they're switching things up, you have a chance to be part of the greatest transformation of wealth. And I'm going to keep on talking about this because my strategy for you is to invest. If you're going to stay at your 9 to 5 and be a worker, make sure you invest while everything is 90, 80, 70% off every month for the next 18 months to 2 years. You got to learn how to be patient. Yeah, I've learned how to be patient. How you pay a house off in 4 years? Ask me how I know. And it wasn't no $100, $200, $300,000 home. That bad boy was high. About to do it again this year. And about to acquire some more real estate this year and next year. Because I have to. When you understand it, you'll actually get. But I'm trying to tell you, things are changing and you want to get with the times and change too. This is not the time to stick your head in the sand and not understanding where you actually going and where you should be going. Get part of somebody's space of teaching you how to start your own business, provide a service, some type of product or teaching method or anything. Motivation, entertainment, do anything and draw traffic to that because that's who's going to be winning out here. 2, 3, making themselves $10,000 a month is light work. No. Okay? Because you really need to understand out here in this space right here, the change is now. If you found anything valuable that I gave you today, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe and follow because this is your life, my life, and our life. We got to make a change. Peace.